moves lesser.
Please.
So a key lesson for you is to learn to relax and get rest when you have the opportunity. To relax can also be a significant weakness.
He's got that one right.
Maybe so, but I still think that was a cheap shot.
Your Uncle Piccolo for babysitting. He's just the sweetest guy.
It's the White Star. Do you realize what this means, you guys? We brave stormy seas, stared at the sun, batting faced with too many teeth.
You're giving those Dragon Balls to me.
What? Who are these bozos?
You're going to be working for a true Emperor now.
And after all the hard work we did to find them, too. Eternal Dragon Shenron!
So we're gonna go
I wish for Freeza! Bring him back to life!
But his body was cut to pieces and obliterated many years ago. There is little point in returning his soul to that.
What? He'd be in pieces?
using what I know about summaries and connecting what I know about fiction summaries with what
Today
I know
I have the
about
ability to grant you 3,
Okay?
but there are limits.
I want 1 million Zennian launch bills!
And I want the most delicious ice cream in the whole world!
Your wishes have been
Here, like I
fulfilled.
said, was one of the ones that a lot of us missed.
There's no time for that. The Sandsmen know we're here. We have to move quickly.
What's my first step? Before I
What do you want?
That's my key.
I think you missed a piece.
Preview the text. So I'm gonna preview my question. And I've already looked at my text. I
I just realized something
so I just
terrible.
pulled out the section of
I'm
text
the only
we need.
one who didn't get his own win.
What is the
Okay,
best
soldiers, first we'll
summary?
make ourselves totally sick on ice cream and then we'll rally and hit a buffet.
Right, so there's some
Our scanners aren't picking up
information
anything,
here in the question that's gonna help me
Looks like
answer
we got
it.
away before the Saiyans
first
could
thing,
react.
guys,
You're
I'm looking
seriously
for a
still
summary.
doubting that?
So I'm looking for
Just
a
think
short
about what
report, just like
happened.
you guys told
Maybe
me the
it's too
summary is.
hard for me to
It's
imagine
short
his
and
true
detailed,
power.
the most
I
important
barely
details,
saw Freeza
but
back
it's
then,
not
only
of
from
the whole
afar. If he's not as strong as you say, we'll be
It's
bringing
not
back an old
accidentally
dictator just to lead us all to our doom.
You'll all stop your sniping when Frieza returns. Lord Frieza is back!
When I go to read the whole text, I'll go over the whole thing. But when I go to read it, I
What's
want to
wrong,
make sure
Kakarot?
that I'm focused on
Not sure yet. Just got a really nasty
So then I go on to everybody unmute and tell me.
It's been a long time since I've felt like this. It's a rare
Bruh.
me by surprise.
Welcome back, Lord Frieza. Great to see you.
Yes, your squashed little face is vaguely familiar.
Actually, I've been serving as the commander of your forces, my lord.
I've pined for flesh and bone for so
Why
long
do I
it's hard to
hear
believe
my
it's
voice?
true.
We couldn't find the Namekian survivors despite our search, so Tagama and I risked our lives on Earth.
Now I know it's hard to count the days when you're dead, but what took you so long to restore my life?
now that I have
Tortured every
the
day by a
key, I'm
perversely
ready.
saccharine parade of fairies
Okay,
and
so
cuddly
I'm
animals.
gonna
I bet my mighty empire's falling to pieces without me here cracking the whip, and you've only revived me when you did because you were desperate.
Whatever you think is best, sir.
It feels as though my body has become rusty around the edges. I won't rest until both of those super simians are vanquished. They're going to pay for what they did to me, and they'll pay for it in blood.
Wouldn't it be wiser to forget about the Saiyans and focus on the rest of the universe?
I'm the most cowardly of all my troops, my